All right, less than 2 weeks to go until Election Day. We're keeping a close eye on one of the most contested races in our region for Erie County District Attorney. We have Republican James Gardner challenging Democrat Michael Keene, the acting DA, after John Flynn stepped down earlier this year.
The candidates meeting face-to-face for a debate today, hosted by St. Joseph's Collegiate Institute, right there in the town of Tonawanda. The men clashing on a variety of issues during their time on stage.
7 News senior reporter Eileen Buckley covering today's debate and speaking with both candidates after.
And the home of the brave.
St. Joseph's Collegiate Institute hosted its 40th political debate with an all-American start. Then it was time for the main event. Acting Erie County District Attorney, Democrat Michael Keene, facing off against Republican James Gardner. Keene has served as acting DA since March. Gardner has more than 14 years of experience as a prosecutor and law clerk.
There's no room for the criminal justice system to become a laboratory for social justice issues.
There is no difference between Republicans and Democrats in the administration of justice. It doesn't happen.
St. Joe's students asked hot topic questions from immigration to a major spike in car thefts to bail reform. Gardner calls the state bail reform implemented in 2020 disastrous, blaming the DA's office for the lack of bail for misdemeanors.
All they need to do is let judges make the decision. The criminal law, the criminal justice system works best when judges and prosecutors get to make individual assessments based on the facts of each individual case.
But they are part of the problem. But it's the judge's job, it's their discretion. We get simply to make recommendations. And if people commit crime after crime after crime, of course we're going to ask for bail if we're allowed to under the state law.
Now, one of the most powerful moments in this debate was the question centering around a controversial ad that Gardner is running against Keene.
Assaulting police, resisting arrest, driving while intoxicated.
It is a false ad. It's misleading.
Keene pointed out this happened nearly 40 years ago when he was in college, when he pleaded guilty to one non-criminal violation.
And just because my opponent accepted a plea offer to a non-criminal disposition doesn't mean that he didn't commit those crimes.
Keene shot back, saying his opponent ignored a court order in obtaining a sealed record to discredit him.
I have done nothing wrong. My campaign has done nothing wrong.
After the debate, I asked Gardner why his campaign is using a current photo of Keene, which could be misleading.
The hand-wringing about the use of the photograph, I think, is overblown.
I asked Keene if there's been any fallout to his campaign. Is it harming your campaign?
I don't think it's harming my campaign at all. I think he's intentionally trying to deceive the public. I think most people see through it.
Eileen Buckley, 7 News.